Half knowledge is extremely dangerous. But do you know what's more dangerous? These so-called influencers who give you this particular half knowledge, fearmonger you, and manipulate you into paying 5x more trading fees. What? 5x more trading fees? Do watch this video till the very end so you can understand about it. Hello everyone, my name is Vishal, and in this particular video, I'm going to clear all your doubts regarding Exness, which is a forex and crypto trading platform. Is Exness legal in India? Is Exness FIU registered? Does it violate the Fema Act? Will your bank account get frozen if you use Exness in India? Till the end of this video, I'm also going to clear all your doubts regarding the taxation of crypto futures trading. So let's meet you on my laptop. So let's start first by understanding what is FIU. FIU basically stands for Financial Intelligence Unit. It is an agency which tracks that whether the money that we are sending within the country or outside the country is not used for money laundering or it is not used for terrorist funding. Basically what we call as hawala. As we all know that in the case of crypto, there is no way to track in which wallet, in which particular account you're sending money, because that's the basic concept of crypto. But this money can be used for a very dangerous purpose. In order to avoid this, the government set up FIU India. Okay, the main purpose of this is to ask crypto wallets like Binance, your WazirX, Coindesk, KuCoin, etc. to ask the users to complete the KYC, so the government can basically track what crypto we are buying and to whom we are sending it, and whether or not this money is being used for any other purpose apart from your normal day-to-day transfers. Okay, so this is the reason why FIU was set up in India. Since FIU basically deals with the buying of crypto, buying and transport of crypto, the apps like WazirX, Delta Exchange, etc. definitely need them. Now I will take you to an article that is related to Delta Exchange. Okay, as you all know, Delta Exchange is another prominent broker in the crypto field. So as you can see here, okay, any gains made from crypto trading is taxed at the rate of 30% along with a 4% cess according to the section 115 BBH. Okay, so basically if you buy any crypto, you have to pay 30% tax, 4% cess and a 1% TDS on the purchase or selling and buying of crypto. Okay, see, this is an article from the Times of India itself. Okay, see if you can see. Okay, in the same article, it is also mentioned that, however, the benefit of trading crypto options and futures in Delta Exchange, that your balances and unrealized profits are always calculated in INR. You have no direct contact with crypto. You have no direct contact with crypto. That means Delta Exchange, since it is not dealing actually with the buying and selling of crypto, we have no direct contact with crypto. That means it doesn't even needs to be FIU registered, okay, because it doesn't track crypto. But if you can see it on their website, that in very big letters, it is written as, we are registered with FIU, Government of India, and are fully compliant with Indian regulations. Man, you don't even need to be registered under FIU, because FIU basically tracks the buying and selling of crypto, and you yourself have mentioned that you don't trade in crypto. You basically trade in crypto futures. So basically, just because of this line, they are fooling millions of customers into charging 5x trading fees. Yeah, Delta Exchange basically charges 5 times the trading fees than Exness in India. Okay, now let's come back to Exness. Exness also doesn't directly deal in crypto buying and selling. It trades in crypto future derivatives. As you can see, it basically trades in CFDs, not directly in cryptos. So when it doesn't even deal directly in cryptos, does it need to be FIU registered? No. Does Delta Exchange need to be FIU registered? No. Okay. Now let's come to the second thing. Now let's talk about FEMA. FEMA stands for Foreign Exchange Management Act. The main concept of this act is that you cannot convert Indian rupees, INR, into foreign currencies like USD, Euro, Dirham, etc. without any registered broker that is authorized with the Reserve Bank of India. Now, what are these registered entities? Entities like banks, like your credit cards, etc., which charge a particular fees, like say for example 2 to 3%, and convert your INR into USD. Only they are authorized to convert this money into foreign currency. Okay, no one else is authorized to do that. That's basically the function of FEMA. Now let's talk about the alert list that is shown by multiple YouTubers, in which the name of Exness is also mentioned, so that they can tell that Exness is banned in India. Now let's see that list. It basically says the alert list contains names of entities which are not authorized to deal in forex under the Fema Act. Okay, it basically says this is an alert list that are not authorized. Nowhere it is mentioned that these are banned. These are just not authorized to deal in forex, basically not convert your INR into USD. Okay, and if you see the names in this particular list, you can see like FXCM, FT, IG Markets, IQ. Also, if you can see, if you know the top forex brokers in the world, that is IG, Ava Trade, Interactive Forex Brokers, all these names are included in this particular list. Each and every single one of them is included in this particular list. Means according to RBI, we are not allowed to trade even on the world's biggest forex brokers that handles thousands and thousands of crores of transactions on a daily basis. I think according to RBI, we should just bet on Dream 11 trading app and nothing else. Okay, jokes apart. So basically, this is just an alert list. Okay, these are not authorized to convert your INR into some foreign money. Okay. Now, if we talk about Exness, let me tell you that even Exness doesn't convert your bank account, your INR money into dollars, because it basically has set up accounts in India. Okay, set up bank accounts in India, and any money that you transfer in those particular bank accounts remains within India through UPI, because Exness also provides the option of depositing money through UPI. And you know, any money that is transferred through UPI is basically gonna get transferred only and only in India. So Exness is completely out of two pictures: FIU, because it doesn't allow us to buy crypto, and secondly Fema. Okay. In the world of shorts, you're still watching my video. That means you are particularly serious about your trading. If you do like my video, do subscribe my channel. I also have a Hindi channel with more than 10,000 followers. Some of my subscribers requested for an English video. That's why I've created a separate English channel for my audience. If you like my channel, do support me by subscribing and liking and commenting on my channel. I'm sorry the video is getting a little longer. I'm going to explain each and everything to you in this particular video. Okay. Now let's talk why most people's bank accounts are getting banned while trading in Exness or some particular app. I have talked to a few persons myself, and they have told me that they were using Binance P2P along with Exness. The main culprit for your ban is basically these P2P transactions. These transactions which is being offered by various large-scale YouTubers, that you transfer money to their account and then USDT is transferred back to your account. Okay. First reason is this, and the second reason why your bank account gets banned is you are basically using a savings account. Most of the people here are using a savings account. In a savings account, the maximum transaction that you are allowed to have is 5, 10, 20 or maybe 50 transactions, 50 big transactions in a particular month. But when you trade in crypto or any particular app, you keep on depositing and withdrawing multiple amount of money on every single day. So what the bank does is the backend raises a problem that since this is just a saving account and you cannot do these many transactions in a saving account, or you might have entered an amount like your monthly transaction is going to be 1 lakh while you're opening your bank account. So the bank account might raise a question that if your income is only 1 lakh, how are you able to transfer say 20 lakhs within a single month? And that's the main culprit for your bank account getting banned. It's not just with Exness, it can happen with Delta Exchange, it can happen with anything. Okay. So what I would suggest for it is that you go and you open your bank account in some private bank, and while opening the bank account, you put the amount that is filled in the form as your monthly transaction limit as 20 to 30 lakhs maybe. It's not going to get counted in your income tax. It's just that if you want to fill that form, put that information. Okay, so the bank cannot raise any false alarm. If you want to create account on Exness, or you want a tutorial on how you can create an account on Exness, do comment below and I will definitely make a video on it. I hope you like the video. If you did like the video, do subscribe my channel and do open your Exness account from the link provided in the description of this particular video. Because if you do that, if you face any sort of problem in the future, I'm a registered integrated broker of Exness in India. If you do face any problem, you can directly contact me.